Today, the helicopter flew just right above my head. The sound is very different from when you see them flying somewhere far from you, and when it's just right above your head. I've never heard that before. There is nothing more satisfying than peeling fresh, huge potatoes from the garden. Oh, this is awesome. We do have a really nice harvest this year. When we are hiking, we take this mint candies with us. They create that nice icy air feeling inside your mouth, so it helps when it's really hot outside and you breathe the fresh air in, and it cools down pretty fast and you can go on walking for hours. The first day when it's not sunny and it's not that hot and there's nobody. Yay! And I think it's going to rain. fancy house here. I have this tea with a cinnamon stick. I was brewing the tea in winter and I took with myself on a hike, and I just love the taste of that cinnamon stick in the tea. It is incredible, and I have a treat and it just feels so nice after a swim. It's still a little bit warm. I suppose I just link today's experience with winter experience because I just want to get that feeling of peace.
Courage, it's a feeling like no other, let me tell you, yeah. Courage in harmony with something other than your ego. Courage, the sweet relief of knowing nothing comes for free. Do you really want to know about these lines on my face?
Wow! Один остался. Finally made it to the village. The winds are crazy this week. I was going uphill and then there's a straight road, so when I was pedaling uphill it was bearable. But then when I reached the top, it's the top of the hill, like you can see the skyline all over, and the wind was most strong at that top. And I remember I was giving myself like a motivational speech while pedaling, like, you can do it, you can do it. Just keep pedaling. Oh gosh, it was so hard. So when I got to the village, I was welcomed by the smell of fresh pancakes. My mom was making them and I was like, oh, it is such a treat for that long and very hard ride here. Even though like the ride itself is about maybe 10 minutes, the wind just makes it so hard to keep pedaling. I remember on the top I felt like I was not moving at all. I was not riding. I actually came here to make cinnabons. They're baking right now. I sit here on the bench looking at the sun, sitting down. Yeah, it's amazing. The air is fresh. It's getting fresh because the wind is getting quiet. The evening is beautiful. Yeah, I'll just sit here waiting for my cinnabons to cool down and we'll get back home.